Good morning. When I tell you that I feel like a superhero in this outfit by Stavana, I absolutely adore this outfit. She gave it to me yesterday, and I have to say, I have not felt this clothed and non-clothed at the same time. Plus this, and this is so freaking compacting, you know what I mean? For women, you understand what that is, you know, not the loose. This is very supportive. The fabric is very strong. Latex. I love it. Stefana, you outdid yourself. Steve, baby. I am so proud of you. This is Stefana Mesh. She hasn't even gotten to taking it out yet, but it's amazing. You guys absolutely love my hair, so I'm gonna keep the hair. For all of you asking, yes, it is a wig. It is a wig by Doll by Nui. You remember her from my live a couple of days ago? This wig is absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know how to maintain it. Literally, I don't know how to. I'm just gonna do my best, absolute best to keep it the way she styled it for as long as I can. And when I can't anymore, I'm just gonna FaceTime her and tell her, hey queen, I need your help. Cause this wig ain't cooperating anymore. But yeah. This is a wig. It's not my hair. It's a wig. And my job is to make sure that it stays beautiful for as long as I can. I'm trying to style it. It's already looking good. But she gave me this mannequin head where I put the wig to save the curls. I'm just wetting the side bun so it looks kind of natural. I'm in a big mood. Korra here. If you're new to my page, I'm a singer, dancer, all the way from the motherland, Nigeria. And today is move day. We're moving, and I'm gonna be packing up a lot of my stuff. We found a place. It was very fast. It was very impromptu too, but we eventually did, and we're moving today, and it's a move day. So join me as I get prepared and get ready. This lash set is by the amazing Makeup by Ashabi. Different styles of lashes in this set. To be honest, I don't even know where to start with, like when I want to pick a lash, because there's so many options in that set. I like the ones that look a little bit natural. Those are my type of lashes. Okay, I like them a little bit natural. Steady your face just for me. I wanna take a picture so it could last longer for me. Take my secrets, got them the precious now. I probably shouldn't be doing my makeup if I'm going to be moving. I don't know why I'm doing makeup when I should just start walking. I have work to do. It's just the Korra in me. At least a little mascara. In case I see one of you on the road, I won't look like a house girl. You'd be like, oh my gosh, are you Korra from Facebook? Are you Korra from TV? And I'm gonna be like, no, it's not me. I want to be proud when I see you. So let me put some lip gloss for the confidence. Let's get to taking our vitamins. It's been 1 month postpartum. I'm loving the progress. To be honest, I'll be honest with you. I'm not really doing a lot of exercising. I'm just letting my body heal and taking my supplements. So there's really not a lot that I'm doing, and I'm not gonna lie to you that, oh, here's my secret to my postpartum. Yeah? Some cream? Okay. Yeah. Got a nanny. Woohoo. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw him, you will see the way it glows. All of the red-nosed reindeers always made fun of Rudolph. They were so jealous of Rudolph because of his shiny nose. Rudolph will always be sad. He will cry and cry and cry. Oh, why are they making fun of me? I just want them to be nice. They will all shout at Rudolph and make him feel so bad. Rudolph will always cry. My, oh, my, oh, my, oh, my. One day Santa Claus caught them making fun of Rudolph. Santa now flog all of them. 50-50 strokes of kin. And then they stopped making fun of Rudolph from that day. That is the end of the story. Rudolph is a big boy now. He's chilling with the big boys. Queens, don't forget to supplement. But to be honest, I'm getting tired of supplements. Can't I just eat healthy? But postpartum, your body needs supplements, to be honest. You can't run away from it. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. All this ceremony to pack, to move. Savannah, you outdid yourself with this one. This is some fire outfit. Boom, boom. Walk, walk, fashion baby, walk it, move that thing crazy. Walk, walk, fashion baby, walk it. I'm a freaky baby. I want your love and I want your revenge. That's what this outfit is giving. I want your love. I don't wanna be friends. Je tiens m'amour. I don't wanna be friends. Bunch of romance. I want your love and I want you. This is June and this is Athena. My heart. This is how to move his tile. Let's get to moving. My house is a shithole. My house is very dairy right now. It's so dairy. All my days. What that's in here, but